Hi teachers, ChatGPT tutorials. I'm your teacher Jen. So today I will teach you how to utilize ChatGPT. No, alam ko napakarami nating gawain at kailangan talaga maibsan yung ating mga tasks. So one of this is like, for example, nag-grab ka ng isang test questions and you are not going to take more time to find the answer keys, no? So you just ask ChatGPT and Viola, there's the result or the answer keys, pero you have to double check pa rin, no? At least kahit pa paano na meron ka ng idea kung ano yung mga tamang sagot. You'll just take few times to recheck it. Ayan. And then you can ask more questions naman dito sa ChatGPT regarding this, if this is true or just confirming, no? O kaya sa ibang paraan mo i-confirm. So ayan, no? Different, kahit anong subject po yan, pwede mo siya dyang ilagay. Just copy-paste the questions, 1 to 50 man yan or 1 to 100. ChatGPT will give you the answer in just a moment, actually, no? Para at least mabawasan naman talaga yung ating mga gawain. Actually, kahit yung paggawin mo siya ng quiz with answer key, kaya rin yan ni ChatGPT. Also, if baguhan kang teachers and then gusto mo talaga ma-lessen yung time mo para makagawa ka ng lesson plan, ayan, ay pwede mo rin dito ipagawa. Ayan, ito naman is just creating a short quiz. Ayan, pwede mo naman dyan specific kung hanggang ilan yung quiz number mo para si ChatGPT ay maibigay niyan with answer key na rin, diba? So, napaka, dali. Or kaya talaga maibsan yung ating mga ginagawa. Ito naman, lesson planning din. Pwede mo rin dyan ilagay na create a lesson plan, complete or detailed, or kaya outline lesson plan, o kaya naman kahit ano po, okay, ask mo siya dito about your lessons, anything about your topic, kahit pa may formula yan, kahit na may code pa yan, ibibigay yan ni ChatGPT. Sana makatulong. Follow for more.